Welcome back to Thread and Throne, where style is timeless, elegance is effortless, and fashion always tells a story. Today, we're traveling to one of the world's most breathtaking destinations, New Zealand. Known for its natural beauty, laid-back lifestyle, and strong connection to the outdoors, New Zealand also offers us a fashion identity that is unique, grounded, and quietly luxurious. In 2025, New Zealand style is all about effortless, natural elegance, a balance between simplicity, sustainability, and understated sophistication. If you've ever wanted to master that calm, graceful, and nature-inspired look, stay tuned, because this video is your complete guide. Section 1. The essence of New Zealand style. New Zealand fashion doesn't scream for attention, it whispers it. The style is rooted in minimalism, but it's never boring. Instead, it reflects the beauty of the landscapes. Think soft earth tones, ocean blues, and lush greens. It's about choosing natural fabrics, linen, merino wool, organic cotton, that not only feel good, but also last through seasons. Unlike fast fashion trends, New Zealand's approach is timeless, functional, and deeply tied to sustainability. Clothes are seen not just as fashion, but as an extension of values, simplicity, respect for nature, and quiet confidence. Section 2. Colors and textures for 2025. In 2025, the color palette of New Zealand fashion is inspired directly by its environment. Earth tones, warm beige, taupe, and clay bring grounding elegance. Ocean-inspired hues, soft blues, seafoam, and deep navy echo coastal beauty. Botanical shades, olive green, sage, and eucalyptus tones reflect natural freshness. Textures are equally important: linen for breezy summers, merino wool for cooler evenings, and silk blends for elevated occasions. The beauty of these fabrics is that they drape naturally and look elegant without trying too hard. Section 3. Everyday wardrobe staples. Let's talk about what defines the New Zealand wardrobe in 2025. Relaxed tailoring, wide-leg trousers, soft blazers, and fluid skirts that move with ease. Flowy dresses, midi and maxi lengths in natural fabrics, paired with simple sandals or boots. Knitwear essentials, the famous merino wool sweaters, cardigans, and lightweight coats that are practical yet elegant. Timeless outerwear, a well-cut trench coat or a tailored wool coat, perfect for layering across seasons. Leather accents, minimal handbags, belts, and ankle boots that elevate a simple look. Together, these pieces create a wardrobe that feels both stylish and deeply wearable. Clothes that transition seamlessly from city to countryside. Section 4. Accessories and beauty accessories in New Zealand style are always understated. Instead of bold statement pieces, women choose jewelry with meaning. Fine gold chains, pearl earrings, or handcrafted silver rings. Handbags are structured but minimal, in earthy or neutral tones. Shoes lean toward practicality, sleek leather boots, strappy sandals, or clean white sneakers. When it comes to beauty, the New Zealand woman embraces the natural look. Skincare is prioritized over heavy makeup, and the glow comes from healthy living. Hairstyles are loose, textured, and effortlessly chic, never overly styled. Section 5. The influence of sustainability. One of the most defining aspects of New Zealand fashion in 2025 is its commitment to sustainability. Local designers focus on slow fashion, producing fewer pieces with better quality. Many brands are embracing ethical sourcing, recycled fabrics, and small batch production. This philosophy aligns with a lifestyle that values nature, balance, and conscious living. Wearing New Zealand-inspired fashion means choosing clothes that last, pieces that respect the planet, and designs that celebrate authenticity. Section 6. How to adopt New Zealand style. So how can you bring this effortless elegance into your own wardrobe? Start with neutral, nature-inspired colors. Choose quality fabrics over quantity. Focus on clean lines and timeless silhouettes. Add a touch of natural beauty. whether through handcrafted jewelry, minimal makeup, or relaxed hair. It's not about chasing trends, it's about cultivating a wardrobe that feels calm, confident, and true to yourself. New Zealand fashion in 2025 is not just about what you wear, it's about how you live. It's effortless, natural, and deeply elegant. If you're drawn to simplicity with sophistication, and if you want a wardrobe that mirrors the beauty of nature, then this style is for you. Thank you for watching Thread and Throne. If you enjoyed this guide to New Zealand fashion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves timeless style. Until next time, stay elegant, stay effortless,